Welcome to our foot massager showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between two popular models, the HoMedics Shiatsu Select Foot Massager and the Nekteck Foot Massager. Both promise to deliver a soothing massage experience. But which one truly stands out? Let's find out. When it comes to the number of massage nodes, the Nekteck Foot Massager takes the lead with an impressive 54 nodes, designed to provide a more comprehensive massage experience. In contrast, the HoMedics model features only 12 nodes, which may limit its effectiveness for some users. This significant difference could influence your choice if you're looking for a deeper and more thorough massage. In terms of massage heads, the Nekteck Foot Massager again has the advantage with 6 heads compared to the 4 heads of the HoMedics model. This means that the Nekteck can potentially cover more area and provide a more varied massage experience, which is particularly beneficial for users with specific foot pain or discomfort. Both foot massagers are designed with user comfort in mind, but they cater to different preferences. The HoMedics model emphasizes a Shiatsu massage experience, while the Nekteck focuses on kneading functionality. The ergonomic design of the Nekteck also enhances its usability, making it a great choice for those seeking a versatile massage experience. In conclusion, both the HoMedics and Nekteck foot massagers have their unique strengths. If you're looking for a more extensive massage experience with a higher number of nodes and heads, the Nekteck may be the better option. However, if you prefer a focused Shiatsu massage, the HoMedics could be your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.